I'm a rapper. Now your most frequent emotion is distrust from preconceived notions. You say I shop for the sake of shock value. I tell truth. Sometimes that happens to be foul too. You say my bandana's designed to put him in fear. Maybe you just happen to like the look of the gear. You say we're just talking over a beat. We've mastered rhyme and cadence till we can flow in our sleep. And we do more with our words than you're my love from above, friend to the end, together forever. You say we cause damage. We reflect the anguish around us, handle and manage anger, channeling it via talent. They should give it a minute to sit and listen to lyrics to see our spirit is in it before they're quick to dismiss it. But it isn't efficient, switching the ignorant cynics and critics thinking we're gimmicks. That's like saying no dream is too big to a bigot.